In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a report for your Asana project. This process is great for gaining insights into your project metrics and visualizing key data points to better manage your workload. By the end of this video, you'll have a fully functional report dashboard tailored to your specific project needs. Let's get started. First, navigate over to Asana, and once you're on the main interface, look to your left panel. Here, you'll find an option called Reporting. Go ahead and click on this to move forward. This section is where you'll create a visual representation of your project's data through a customized report. Now, once you're in the reporting section, you'll spot a button labeled Create. Click on it, and this will initiate a new dashboard for you, a clean slate to start building your report. From this blank canvas, you can start adding widgets, which are essentially tools that display various data points in different visualization formats. To add your first widget, look for the Add Widget button. Click it, and a list of template charts will present itself. You'll have several options here, so take a moment to consider what type of visualization would be most useful for your report needs. Once you've decided, choose a chart to add to your dashboard. Next up, you'll encounter a drop-down menu labeled Report On. From this menu, select Tasks, because we're gathering specific task-related data for your report. This step is crucial for ensuring your chart focuses on the right metrics. Continuing, you'll see another drop-down labeled Include Tasks From. This time, you're going to select Specific Projects. This allows you to pinpoint the exact projects you'd like to include in your report. It's helpful if you're working with multiple projects, but only want certain ones reflected in this report. After that selection, you'll choose the project or projects you specifically want in your report. This step customizes your data visualization, filtering it down to the most relevant information. At this point, you'll have an X-axis, or a similarly named option, depending on your selected chart type. Click here to select the column from your project data that you wish to visualize in this part of your chart. This selection directly influences what your chart will display. When you're satisfied with these settings, find the Add button located at the bottom right and click on it. This action confirms your selections and adds the chart to your report dashboard. Remember, don't stop at just one widget. Feel free to click Add Widget again to include additional data points or visualization styles. This flexibility allows you to build a comprehensive report that aligns perfectly with your project's needs. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully created a customized report for your Asana project, giving you valuable insights at a glance.